Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech by Sambhav. So friends, in this video we are going to learn that what is an AI model, how to make it, and using this concept we will go to create a project, a small project, house price prediction. So friends, an AI model is a type of a machine which we will train by giving some data to predict some output to generate text or some images. So there are a lot of methods, a lot of algorithms for creating a AI model, and like linear regression, logistic regression, random forest, k-means, but in this video we are using linear regression, a basic AI model we will create in this video. Okay, so let's come to VS Code and start our coding part. So here we are in our VS Code, and we have already created a folder name tbase, which is my YouTube channel name Tech by Sambhav. So let's first of all we have to install two libraries for this video. So the first library will be NumPy, which is used to perform mathematical tasks and metric operations, and the second library is Scikit-Learn. Okay, so in this library there are already a lot of algorithms like linear regression, logistic regression, so we will install both of these. Okay, so first of all we have to install NumPy. Pip install NumPy. Okay, I have already installed, so it is giving requirement already satisfied. Then we have to install pip install Scikit-Learn. Okay, I have already installed this also, and another thing we have to install, that is pip install Joblib. Okay, it is Joblib. It is to save our AI model. Okay, I have already installed this also. Okay, so let's create a Python file. Okay, like house price prediction dot py, hpp.py. Okay, we have to import our libraries here. Import NumPy as np from sklearn. Sklearn dot linear model. Import linear regression. Okay, and from Joblib we have to install our. Okay, so this is not work on from, it will be very simple. Import Joblib. Okay, done. Then we have to insert our data set. Okay, for this video we are not using a large data set, we are using just two NumPy arrays. Okay, so I have these two NumPy arrays. Okay, so if you have something like this, you can use that, or if you want something like this, you can just comment hashtag dataset hashtag NumPy arrays. I will give you. Okay, or you can visit my website techbysambhav.versal.app, where you can find all these codes. Okay, so friends, this is two NumPy arrays. Okay, the first NumPy array is X, which is like our features. Okay, so there are 4 features, and samples, I think there are 20 or 21 samples. Okay, the first feature is about the square feet, the second feature is about bedroom, the third feature is about how many numbers of bathrooms you want, and the third feature is about scale score for the area. Okay, and this is the price prediction in I think in lakhs, or if it like in the first 800 square feet, one room, 3 is the score, it will be 20 lakhs or something. Okay, left it. Come to the next. So yeah, now we'll have to create a variable. Okay, the variable will be hpp. Okay, hpp, and we have to call our linear regression here. Okay, and then hpp dot fit we will use. Okay, and we have to write our parameters, our arrays. Okay, and by this our model has created and it is trained. Okay, by doing these two things. Okay, so it is created. Okay, and then we have to do something like, okay, Joblib dot dump. Okay, and then we have to hpp, and we have to save like hpp dot pkl. Okay, and we have to print model has successfully saved. Okay, just have to do this, and we have to control S, and we have to maximize this. Okay, So now we have to run our Python file, python hpp.py. Let's see what happened. Is there any error or not? Okay, it will take some time according to your computer processor to run. Okay, just let's see what happened. Okay, so our model has successfully saved, and we can see here hpp.pkl, which is saved. Now we have to create an app.py. That will be our handling file for app.py. Okay, now we will write command which write the code which will connect with our interface to work. So in this file we have to import our libraries which we want. Okay, so the first of all we have to import install. Okay, so we will install pip install Flask render template. Okay, so it will install the Flask and render template. Okay, I have already installed, so it is giving me requirement already satisfied. So just write it here from Flask. Okay, sorry, syntax error. Flask import Flask render template. Okay, comma request. Okay, and then we have to import the Joblib also, because we have to load that our model. Okay, so after all this we have to just create an app variable where our file will be there. Okay, Flask we will use. Okay, and then we will have to use that name. Okay, it is given by VS Code. Okay, then we have to load our model. Okay, model is equal to joblib dot load. Okay, and then our hpp.py. Okay, so by this we will load our model. Okay, then we have to create routes. Okay, app.route. Okay, so now we are creating home route. Okay, it will be giving the home function. Okay, then we have to create a function. Okay, find a function which will be home. In the home function. Okay, what will our home function will return the render template. Okay, and it will return the index dot. Okay, we will create an HTML file also which shows our interface. Okay, then we create our second route, app.route, and that will done our prediction. Okay, so it will be like predict. Okay, and the method will be post. Okay, we will use the post method. Okay, and we have to create another function. This time it will be predict function. Okay, and it takes some our inputs like area and all, like area, square feet, which I have already told you, area, and number of bedrooms, scores, and all. Okay, so let's do that. So yes, I have already copied all this. Okay, so it doesn't waste our time. Then we have to create a variable where our result will store. Okay, so let's create a result variable, and then we have to create like model dot predict, and in that we have to store our array, like what are the functions we have. Okay, so here we will write area. Okay, bedrooms. Okay, bathrooms. Okay, and location. Okay, it is done. That our result will store here. Okay, then price. Okay, next another create a variable like price, and it will be result, and result 0. Okay, so whatever the result we will calculating, that will store in the result variable, and then we have to store that result into price, and we are using indexing 0 here, so it will just paste the first index of that result. Okay, because it is an array which is coming from our model. Okay, NumPy array. So they're using the first index, so it will just create the first number. Okay, then we have to use the return function to show that. Okay, so just do that, return. Okay, f and predicted price we are writing here, price. Okay, it says giving error. Okay, and in the last as usual the Python apps, we have to write this if name this, then we have to write main. Okay, sorry, yes, by this. Okay, I have a mistake in here. There will be double slash, and it will not there. Okay, and in the last, the main slash app dot run debug is equal to true. Okay, still it is giving some error. Oh yeah, I have here a new column. Okay, so our app.py, our route, our Flask API which we'll use for connecting the frontend to backend is ready. Okay, now we'll just create an HTML file which will generate like this, index.html. Okay, we'll use the boilerplate. Okay, so this is creating like a boilerplate. Okay, title we can give like house prediction. Okay, this is enough. House prediction is okay. Okay, and in the body we will write first like h1. This is an house prediction model. Okay, we will write like this. Then we have to create a form. Okay, in this form we have to provide the method, the post function we are using. Action will be, we have to write here like action we are using predict. Okay, we have to copy from here, like it should be same which we are using here, predict, and in this file we are also using predict. Okay, and the method we are using is post. Okay, just for okay, wait, we have to do like this. Okay, so this much we have to do. Okay, and in this we have to write our inputs. What are the inputs we want to give? Like first input, like type will be number, and name will be area. Okay, and the method will be we have already defined the method like placeholder, enter the area. Okay, and then after we just have to use via. Okay, later we are. Okay, by this we have to enter all the inputs. Okay, so I have entered all the inputs there like the area, bedroom, bathroom, locations. Or okay, after the area I have just put like area, bedroom. Okay, then we have to create a button. Okay, button which will send our request to our backend. Okay, so just, and its type will be submit. Okay, and it will be submit. Okay, so work is done. Okay, just match once app.py. Okay, everything is like same. Okay, http.py. Okay, all the things has done. Just check once that it is working or not. Okay, let's run python app.py. Okay, it will take some time. It will depend on your computer process, which I have already tell you. Okay, yeah, so it is done. Just let's check once that it is working or not. Open the localhost. Okay, so yeah, there is some error. Just check once what's the error comes. Okay, so it is telling that template not found. Okay, so yeah, we have done a mistake that we have do the index.html file in the root folder. We have to create a templates folder, templates. Okay, and then enter that index.html file into the template. Okay, just check once it is working or not. Not sure. Okay, and runs again. Yeah, it is working now. Okay, then we have to write the. Okay, just check once what our model says. Like if I say 22. Okay, so just put it like 20 to 500. 2,250 square feet bedrooms, like on 2,200 5,510 it is. Okay, if I just put it like 5 and bathroom 2 and location is called 10. Okay, let's check that it is working or not. This is the important part. Here we see that our model is working or not. Okay, so it will predict the price, and the price will be 119.65. Okay, let's check in the model. Okay, so the 2,200 is like on which number? From 6 to 20, if we minus 5, it will be on 15th. Okay, 15th, 5, 5, 10, 130 something. Okay, and it is 119 something. Yeah, it is quite similar. 119 it is giving because we have less than we have minus the bathroom number of bathrooms. So yeah, that's why it is working. If we just again refresh that, and square feet we have already increases, that's why it is giving something like this. Okay, it is increasing some price. We are giving 220055. Then what we will get? Okay, we are getting 127.915. Okay, 127.995. Okay, it is giving something like between 118 to 130, which is from 14 to 15, which is our 2100 square feet to 22,100 square feet. Okay, it is like quite similar. Our model is working very good. Okay, so friends, this is a basic AI model and basic AI project which is called an house prediction AI model. So if you like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel and comment that which part you like the most. And if you have any type of doubts, any doubts in your mind, you just share in the comment box. I will try to resolve your doubts. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.